Today I want to talk about controls on a defensive handgun. Thanks for watching. What do I mean by defensive handgun? Doesn't matter what metric you want to pick. Number of handguns, handgun sales, if you want to look at worldwide sales, US sales, military, law enforcement, lawfully armed citizens. The standard today is a polymer frame, striker fired, drop safe, 9mm semi-automatic handgun with internal safety devices. And that's what I want to talk about in this video. The 3 controls common to that platform for defensive handgun use. I'm going to start with the magazine release. On most Western handguns, there is a button, and these are all set up for right-handed shooters. And the magazine release button is activated with the shooting thumb. And these are ambidextrous on these modern handguns, where you can flip the magazine release to the other side. Some companies that are of European origin have ambidextrous paddles near the trigger guard to release the magazine. So inserting a magazine, I want to make sure that all my bullets are toward the rear. I'm going to insert the magazine. Magazine's installed. And I'm going to use my shooting thumb to depress this magazine release, spring loaded, and the magazine drops out. So that's the magazine release control. The second control I'd like to discuss is the slide lock lever. No matter what you see on John Wick films, it is not a slide release lever under defensive shooting conditions. This lever here simply locks the slide open, as you see here. And again, on these modern guns, they're generally today ambidextrous. Close up of the slide lock lever, you can see that it's just simply a piece of sheet metal that is under spring pressure, that is sitting into a notch on the slide. And the slide right now is under maximum spring pressure, with the recoil spring being completely compressed. This lever is designed to lock the slide open and not release it. You may see different on different YouTube videos, films, what have you. I prefer to release my slide manually, and I talk more about that in the upcoming videos. So, how to use this mechanism, I'm going to visually verify that my handgun is clear. I have no magazine, nothing in my chamber. My safe directions over here. I'm going to close the slide. I like to rack it 3 times, make sure that I'm clear. And to use this slide lock lever, I am going to have constant pressure with my thumb coming up while I pull back on the slide, and when this lever catches this notch, the slide is going to lock itself open. So I'm going to push up the whole time as I'm pulling back, and you can see that we're seated into that notch. So we talked about the magazine release, we talked about the slide lock lever. Those are the only 2 controls of the 3 that you need to operate the handgun. The third control is some form of takedown lever. There is a mechanism to allow you to remove the slide from the frame of the lower receiver. On this particular handgun, it is a lever that rotates 90 degrees. On other handguns, it is a device that's here. It's actually one bar that you would pull down to release the slide mechanism. Again, that's more detailed content for another video on another day. Just know that whatever device you see here, and in this case here, it is simply to remove the slide mechanism to get access to the recoil spring, striker mechanism, barrel, so on and so forth, cleaning, maintenance, those types of issues. Why would we want to lock a slide open? To verify that we're clear, to solve any malfunction with failure to feed, failure to fire, failure to eject issues, and just to help us do general problem solving. So those are the controls common to these modern polymer frame, striker fired, drop safe, 9mm semi-automatic high capacity handguns. And that's all I got. And remember, before you go, be safe, stay dangerous, and keep your force justified. Thanks for watching.